and welcome to Digital Zone channel. My name is Iris and today we are going to look how to increase your breast size a little. You don't need an expensive plastic surgery. All you need is Photoshop. So let's get started. I will show you the most basic, quickest and easiest method, one that even a complete beginner can manage. First, we will need a photo that we want to edit. If you would like to practice using the same picture as I'm using, you can download it from my Instagram. Link is in the description below. The first step, which isn't necessary but I highly recommend it, is to mark the part of the torso, without the arms, that we will be editing. In our case, we can simply select the waist, and we will do that by this selection tool. Right-click on the selection and copy it to a new layer. The reason we do it this way is simple. We want to enlarge the breast, but we also want to avoid distorting the surrounding area, such as the arms or the background. By having the waist on the separate layer, all changes will affect only that area and the rest of the image will remain untouched. Once we have the waist on the new layer, go to the top menu and select the Filters tab. Then find the Liquify option. This will open a new editor with many editing options. For simple breast enhancement, we will be using the Bloat tool, which works a bit like an inflating tool. Now, using this tool, we simply inflate both breasts slightly. The size of the tool should always be a bit larger than the area you want to expand. The Bloat tool works by inflating the pixels in the selected area. Wherever you hold the cursor, the pixels begin to expand outwards, creating the effect on enlargement or roundness. The brush size determines how large an area will be affected. Pressure influences how quickly or intensely the area will inflate. Rate controls the speed of the effect when held down. Then there is density, which determines how the effect spreads from the center of the brush to its edges. Once we have adjusted the breast to our liking, click the OK button, and voila, it's done. This is the simplest and quickest method for editing the bust, and absolutely anyone can do it, even without any prior experience in Photoshop. To keep the result looking natural, it's best to enlarge the breast only slightly. Also, this method won't work for every photo. Much depends on the angle at which the person is photographed and the clothing they are wearing. Simple plain clothing usually works much better than layered or patterned fabrics. We can look at more advanced bust editing techniques another time. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, feel free to support me with a like, subscription or comment. It's all for today and I will see you next time in another tutorial.